Hello.
Do you want the sticker? Here. You got it.
Whoa.
Here, here's another one.
Oh, on the belly too? Where's that one go? You got 2 stickers? Uh-oh, what's
You
this?
get 3.
Oh my goodness. 3 stickers on the belly. Can you count them?
Oh, you got a pair of Ugg boots.
Can you count the stickers? 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. See what's in here. What could it be? What's that?
Get it. What's that? Turn it upside down. It's upside down. Yeah, turn it over. There you go. Oh, she's pretty smart. Now take the lid off.
Oh, those are some almond candies. You can't get in there. Uh-oh. We have one escapee. Sierra, what's in here? There's something for you. Let's see your card.
Oh, got it.
Sierra, for a sweet princess, happy Valentine's Day with a big hug and a whole lot of love. We miss you so much.
Look at this,
Love
she found
Grandpa
it.
and
Yeah.
Grandma.
She found the tab.
Sierra, let Mommy buy you something. Love, Grandma. Grandma gave you 20 bucks. We can go to the
Oh.
store.
That was about like 10 pieces. Sorry. I'm eating dinner.
Don't be chewing in the back of the camera. That's
I'm
disgusting.
starving.
Okay. I got this.
I
Go
didn't eat
eat
anything
somewhere
yet.
else. Nobody wants to hear you chewing.
Uh-oh. What's this?
What do you have?
What's that?
Ruff, ruff. What is that?
These are hot.
Ruff, ruff. Is it a doggy? Sierra, what does it do? Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, ruff.
What's doggy say? Oh.
Oh.
Can Daddy have a bite? I love Grandma's cookies. Can I have a bite? Can I have a bite? Where's Daddy's bite? Hey, Daddy wants a bite. Ooh, no.
Oh, no scissors.
Can I have a bite? You're not gonna share with me? You greedy little shit.
Why do you have to curse in the videos?
Hey. Can I have a bite? I want a bite.
Where did Sierra run to?
You gotta share.
There she is. She's hiding with her cookie. Cookie.
The cookie she's not sharing with Daddy.
Uh-oh, you're gonna do a straddle with your cookie? Uh-oh, straddle and cookie time.
Oh, Sierra's got a cookie. You know what? There's cranberry juice. Dora.
Say happy Valentine's Day.
Good girl.
Say thank you, Grammy, for making some cookies.
So your cookies are the best.
Say thanks, Grandpa, for mailing the package.
Oh.
Thank you.
That means thank you in Chinese. Piao piao. Right, Sierra?
Say bye.
Teach Grandma and Grandpa
Can you
Chinese.
do bye-bye? She's watching TV.
Pew, pew.
Yummy cookie, huh?
Piao piao.
Yum, yum, yum.